And so now as we come to the last page of the mini challenge, I really want to make this page. I just found this leftover black scrap here, so I want to show you guys that you can literally use anything inside of a Gluebook. So we're going to be doing this side of the page, so let me just move the stuff around so that you can see what I am doing. And yeah, and the glue's not always sticking, you have to just press it down. So I already have my 3 sentiments. It's hope, friends, and enjoy. And I chose these 3 because I've really been inspired by 3 ladies specifically on this creative journey. And I think this page I actually got from one of the ladies. It was Bianca. And I decided to put this in here because they've shown me hope, that there's hope, there's still some good people in this world, and they've become friends, and I really enjoy their friendship. So those 3 ladies know who they are. And yes, so my prompts, it doesn't always have to go onto cardstock, it can go onto a piece of paper as well. So quickly want to show you that. So yeah, I'm just pasting it onto a piece of paper, and voila. So what have we got here? So you're putting your prompts down. You've got a timepiece. There is a timepiece. You've got a vintage postcard. You've got a handwritten word. The handwritten word is actually on the vintage postcard. I should have another handwritten word from the previous. There you are. Polka dot patterns. I've got 2 options. And botanical illustration. I've also got, I've got additional ones. So let's see where we go with this one. So I think I want to put that timepiece in the middle, and the botanical, we can see the botanical, I think I want to fussy cut. So just fussy cut some of the whiteness, and I see there's some numbers on it. So I'm just fussy cutting some of the white out. So I can put that on there. Then the polka dot I can just put on top of there like so, and do what you love. Do what you love at the bottom. Got some more polka dots. Some polka dots that I can put on the side just to break that color up. I've got these. I'm going to be putting that on the side, but I also want to show you that once you get into the swing of things, the game of things, you can create a vintage brown around this as well. I'm just quickly looking for my stamp now, but let's continue. Right, so that's the drawn flower I've got there. So the vintage postcard can actually go underneath here, and I've got 2, so I could also put this one underneath here, which will give us some handwritten words as well, like so. That breaks that. Also, you don't have to use a scissor, you can just use your hands and tear the paper. And then of course I want to put this piece in the middle here, and I'll go about fussy cutting that one as well. I'm just fussy cutting off the camera. And that piece will go in the middle, and there we go. So we will decide where to put the sentiments, but for now we can go ahead, because I also want to show you how quickly it is to create this, so that you can do it in 10-15 minutes every day. So we're gonna go about just gluing everything down. So I'm gluing the timepiece down, which is the image in the middle. Then the next one will be this one. Just in the middle, that will be my last piece. My words, which is do what you love. And then I'm going to kind of let this one overlap into the next page. So let's do that. it can kind of just overlap into the next page, which is totally fine. Now I'm going to go with my polka dots. And as you can see, I'm just gluing things down. I am not overthinking. I'm just gluing things down and enjoying the process. More polka dots. Really just enjoying the process of gluing and relaxing. I can't put music on because we have no electricity. So I am doing this from my phone with some of the last battery power that I have. And you can already see how it is developing into a beautiful page. So let's add some color with this botanical flowers on the side. And then my focal point, which is this white piece, which I'm just going to stick there in the middle. And now my words: hope, friends, and enjoy. And I've shared with you the story around that. And then I will just bring my sentiments. By sentiment, I will bring my words in here at the bottom. And I will show you how this page looks. Just have to glue this down a little bit more. And that is how the page looks. Of course, I will share some photos inside of the group as well. And it's beautiful.